morning class 6 students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today we will continue with chapter 7. So yesterday what we read in the chapter that there is a boy. He's very intelligent in his school life. Always he used to help other in solving problems related to science and mathematics. He was very bright child and he was in his 16 he was preparing for IIT. Let's learn more about the boy. The day came, he came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives and appeared for the entrance test. So finally the day came when he came to Bangalore and stayed with some relatives. He was staying there with his relatives and he appeared for the test. He did very well but would only say okay when asked. So in his entrance exam he did very well but he only said okay when anybody used to ask him. He only used to say okay. It was the opposite when it came to food. When he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. When he said excellent, it implied good. His principle was never to hurt anyone. So when people used to ask about him, about the food to him, he would be very opposite. He used to say okay when the food is bad, then also he used to say okay. Because his principles, his moral values were never to hurt anyone. He is such a child who always want others to be happy. The IIT entrance results came. He had passed with a high rank. What a delight for any student. He was thrilled. He went to his father who was reading newspaper. Anna, I passed the exam. Well done, my boy. I want to join IIT. His father stopped reading the paper. He lifted his head, looked at the boy and said with a heavy voice, my son, you are a bright boy. You know our financial position. I have 5 daughters to be married off and 3 sons to educate. I am a salaried person. I cannot afford your expenses at IIT. You can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want. So finally the day came when entrance exam results came. So he had passed with very good rank and he was so happy. Obviously he was working so hard on this. So he went to his father who was reading newspaper and he talked to his father about his performance and he said that I want to join IIT, to which his father replied that he is salaried man. He is just doing a job and getting salary and he have 5 daughters and 3 sons. So it was very difficult for him to send him Bangalore and afford expenses at IIT. So he said that please stay here in Mysore and you can learn, you can go to college, university and you can stay here and study as much as you want, but I cannot afford IIT education. Okay. So indeed, it was a difficult situation for any father to say no to his bright son, but circumstances were like that. It was common then for the man to be the single earning member with a large family dependent on him. So indeed, it was very difficult. भले ही ये सिचुएशन बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट थी पापा के लिए टू से नो. जब उनको पता है माई सन इज़ वेरी ब्राइट, ही इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, उनके लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था नो बोलना. बट सिचुएशंस, हालात ऐसे ही थे दैट उसको मना करना पड़ा बिकॉज ही वॉज द ओनली अर्निंग मेम्बर इन हिज फैमिली एंड द होल फैमिली वॉज डिपेंडेंट ऑन हिम. So it was very difficult for him too, but the situation was not allowing. His father was sad that he had to tell the bitter truth to his son, but it could not be helped. The boy had to understand the reality. Father was feeling very bad about this, but ये कड़वा सच था जो बच्चे को मानना था, because his father was the only earning member and boy need to understand the reality. सच्चाई को उसको अपनाना पड़ेगा कि पापा इतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं. The teenager was disappointed. It seemed his dreams had burned to ashes. बच्चा जो था वो टीनेज में था and it was very disappointing for him. He had worked so hard for this and it seemed like उसके जो सपने हैं वो राख हो चुके हैं. Like ashes means राख. Okay, so उसके सपने जो हैं बिल्कुल राख हो चुके हैं. He was feeling like that he had worked so much and now he's not able to do anything because his father cannot afford. He was so close to fulfilling his fondest hope, yet so far his heart sank in sorrow. He was so close to his ambition of becoming engineer, but at the same time the situation was not allowing him and he felt really bad in his heart. वो बहुत ही मायूस हो चुका था, बहुत सैड था पूरी सिचुएशन को लेके. He did not reply. He never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with anybody. So to this situation he didn't reply. उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया because he never used to share unhappiness and helplessness. जब वो बिल्कुल